pushing out of it, ended up hitting 70 ticks, I believe. So as you guys can see, we battled the drawdown and now we are back in profit. We are back up. And what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another day in the life. Listen, I got a big smile on my face because I'm happy to be alive, and you guys should be too. Some people hate Mondays, but I love Mondays because the market opens up and we're gonna start a fresh new week. That being said, yeah, last week's trading results were pretty good. I didn't record every day, but when I did record, I did end up losing. But I did take, what, 5? I traded all 5 trading days. I took 3 W's and 2 L's. So I'm positive on the week. I'm up on that week. And then the week before that, we took 3 W's and 0 L's. So we traded 3 days and we took 0 L's. So basically we are positive for the last 2 weeks. We've been positive. So hopefully today we can put that momentum and bring it into this trading week. If this trading week goes really well and we win, we're what's it called, positive on our record this week, we are gonna go get another funded account. And this time, we're gonna crush it this time. So with that being said, let's get right into the trading session. I don't wanna keep you guys too long, so let's just go. Longs, but we're gonna have to wait for PMI to come out. We're gonna see how, if it comes out bearish or bullish. But I do like longs. I like this hourly, I like how there's market structure to the upside, and I want to see this hourly area of liquidity get taken out before we go higher. But if not, you know, we can still get a trade and go higher. But we're gonna see how this PMI plays out. Let's see how news affects the market, and let's just wait for it. I'm gonna sit on my hands till 10 because news comes out at 10, and I recommend you guys to always let news play out before you even place a trade. All right, so you guys can see the 1 hour did close bearish, really bearish. And what I am gonna do, you know what I'm saying, my bias is in the air, but I said I was looking for buys, but before we were looking for buys, we didn't close this candle really, like, you know, we didn't close this candle yet. So right now we closed this candle really bearish, and also news came out bearish. So it's looking like we might get a retrace up into here, into this area, and then continue to fall. There's a 1 hour for value gap here. You guys can see there's a 1 hour for value gap here. That's holding pretty well. So bias is in the air. So we'll see what the 1 minute gives me. We'll see what the 15 minute gives me. We'll see what happens. Right now, price is chopping after 10 a.m. It's gonna look like a no trade day today. Honestly, it's gonna look like a no trade day today. But we have until 11, so there's nothing to force anything. There's nothing to rush. You know, we have until 11. It's looking like, you know what I'm saying, look, we got pushes down to this level. We took out areas of 1 hour and 4 hour liquidity, and now we're trying to push up, but sellers are, you know, holding that position. But this is why we have the heat map. Let me go to the heat map now. So yeah, as you guys can see, sellers are pushing, but there is strong buyers over here. But overall, sellers are fading up here. They are like fading. They're really not too strong, but the buyers are trying to hold up strong. But yeah, you guys can see, you know what I'm saying, we're getting pushes to the downside. So we'll see what happens. I'm not gonna take any trades that I don't like. Depending on market structure is bearish, so we might go in for sales. We're holding this 4 hour for value gap though, so it's, you know, it's pretty tough to say. So, you know, that's why we have the heat map, and the heat map will help us determine our bias for the day. So as you guys can see, buyers are stepping in really heavy. There is no heat zones around this area. Price is pushing up. Hold on. We swept this area of low resistance liquidity to go to the upside, but I low-key don't want to take a trade until we break out of this range. You know what I'm saying? Maybe we can break out of this range and then retest into this range. But as of right now, we're still in this range, and it's like, you know, I don't want to risk anything. But my play for the day right now would be off this gap right here. And because we took out low resistance area of liquidity, you know, we got to push up, we got to move down, and then we could get this breakout structure of up here, but you know, we're gonna have to wait for that. So if we can move down to this gap, I would like to take a long after that. We took out 1 hour liquidity, which is high time frame liquidity. We're taking out 1 minute liquidity, which is low time frame liquidity. And now we're gonna head back to this gap and then skyrocket from here, all right? As you guys can see, I'm not on a trade yet, but we did a tap into the fair value gap, and we had a candle close out of it, but it was a bearish candle close. I wanna see a bullish candle close. I wanna see a green candle close out of this fair value gap. I'm still not on a trade, so this doesn't even matter right now. I just set it up for me later. I wanna see a green candle close out of this fair value gap. It might even get disrespected right now. We're still in the range, but I am gonna take a risk on trading in this range, and hopefully when I get in, we break that range. But right now we are rejecting perfectly. We are rejecting off this fair value gap right now. You know, it can always just break through and it won't hold. You know, I need a green candle close out of it. So we have what, 15 seconds on this candle here. It looks like it's gonna get disrespected. 10 seconds on this candle, so I'll let you guys know. Price ended up not respecting this gap, and we ended up not taking any trade. Right, so we are in a trade. We are up $3,000. Yes, sir, on demo. Yes. All right, so we are up right now. We ended up, you know, breaking out this range, retesting the high of this range, getting a bullish close out of this fair value gap, and now we keep pushing up. So we are targeting 50 ticks, 100 ticks, and risking 50 ticks. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, a 1 to 2, easy 1 to 2, and we are up currently 8K. You know what I'm saying? We are rich. Yes. But right now, we are targeting this high right here. This high can be our stop loss can move to break even here. That's gonna be the target here, this high right here. Also, we can also get on the 5-minute and check if there's any highs that we want to be targeting. Maybe this beginning of this fair value gap, so that can be another target. On the 15-minute, the same thing. So the beginning of this fair value gap, it can be targeted as well. So right now, we're just gonna sit back, wait. If we take a L, we take a L. We take a dub, we take a dub. Set and forget, bro, and that's it. We're getting closer and closer to TP. I think we're gonna get this push here. I see it. $27,000. Yes. Yo, when we get like this for real, I'm gonna be happy as hell. But as of right now, we are practicing, okay? Yeah, we're gonna wait for this to hit TP. I'm gonna have a quick call with somebody. One of my subscribers wants to get on a quick call with me. But we're gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till this hits TP. Hopefully we don't retrace and lose, but it should be good. You guys can see we ended up hitting TP1 and we ended up going back into drawdown, but that's okay with me. I didn't put stop loss to break even because I feel like this trade can play out, and if we end up losing, we end up losing on the day. It's okay. So as you guys can see, we battled the drawdown and now we are back in profit. We are back up and we're back to almost TP. What are we, like 30 ticks away maybe? Let me see. Yeah, we're 40 ticks away from TP. We're gonna hold it out until it hits full TP, and yeah, y'all see it. Just because we in drawdown doesn't mean we gotta panic. We got right out of drawdown and we right back in this trade. And just like that, we were in profit and now we're back in drawdown. Damn, bruh. We are down in the dumps right now. We ended up, you know, losing. Well, we didn't lose yet, but we came down. We broke structure again, so I think we're gonna take this L. Obviously $14,000 L. Damn, imagine this was a real account. Nah, that would be crazy. Nah, but what's it called? Pretty sure we're gonna take this L. Honestly, at this level, at TP1 right here, we should have, you know, put our stop loss to break even, and we would have been out on the trade. Yeah, this trade is done, but we would have been out on the trade and we would have, you know, actually made some money. But not even made some money, we would have actually won the trade. But you know what I'm saying, I don't like cutting my wins early because in a real account there is a trailing drawdown and I just want to see this shit fly. When we took a L, we were up $10,000. Yes, on the demo. Yes. But listen, we did take a L, and it's okay because I've been positive in the last 2 weeks, and I started the last week with who's at my doorbell? Oh my god. It was just the pharmacy lady. But I forgot what I was saying. Yeah, last week we started off with an L and then we ended up finishing the week positive. So an L is just another day that we took out. That's something that we can't control, and it is what it is. But we're gonna get our day started. We got a lot of things to do. I did end up getting monetized on YouTube, which is a great blessing for me. But now I need to expand from YouTube. I need to go on IG Reels. I need to go TikTok Short. No, what the hell? TikTok Shorts. I need to be on TikTok. I need to be on IG Reels, and I need to be on YouTube Shorts. So there's a lot of work that I got to do today. I'm gonna make individual shorts for those channels that I'm gonna be making. I made those channels with my name John Trades a while back, so nobody can take them. I should be good, but there's a lot of work that needs to be done. I need to do a trade recap. I need to figure out how to create reels and shorts, and I need to just, you know, that's a whole nother skill set that I need to learn right now. I need to edit this video, continue this video. Yeah, it's gonna be a busy work day. I'm trying to become a full entrepreneur, a full just online, making money from online guy, basically. If you guys don't know already, I do work at Slave Mart, aka Walmart. I hate that place. Okay, let's go get our day started. I am gonna go make some breakfast. I'm gonna go get some 5 eggs. I'm pretty sure, let me see, there should be eggs here, but damn, they're done. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna make my breakfast and I'm gonna go, get our day started. So I'll pick up the camera when I'm done. All right, so we're gonna do this trade recap really quick, really fast. All right. So as you guys can see, ended up taking an L. So to begin with, obviously we go over the daily bias. So we go to the 1 hour and the 4 hour, and we check what price is doing. At that time, price was pretty much bearish as fuck. It was heavily bearish. It was, we got this candle close at this area right here. I want us to see longs because these areas of liquidity have gotten taken out. This area right here, this area right here, and this area right here. And we also had a 1 hour fair value gap with it, and with that we had a 4 hour fair value gap with it. So we went into the 1 minute. We waited till 10 to take a trade, obviously because of news, PMI news. We ended up starting at 10 and we started ranging in this area. You guys can see I have it marked out, this area, this box area. So we ended up breaking out the range. We came back, retested this high, and we had a fair value gap with it. So I ended up entering off this candle close up here, targeted right here, targeted 100 ticks and risked 50 ticks on this trade. After we pushed out of that range, we started ranging on another range. So that's what happened, and then we ended up coming down. And earlier in the video I said I want to see a pullback, and then we're gonna flood the face down again, and that's exactly what it did. It pulled back, ranged, and went right back down. So that's pretty much trade recap. All right, so we are out to the gym. This is where the video is gonna end. I told you guys I'm not gonna be recording the gym at all because the people in the gym, I don't want it to be uncomfortable, but this is where the video is gonna end. So if you guys enjoyed, please subscribe, like, and comment, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.